Hey everybody, welcome to Steve's Craft Corner. And today, my assistant is Nikki. Say hi to everyone, Nikki.
Hi.
Okay, so today in your packet you have a clothespin, a feather, a piece of orange paper, and 2 little eyeballs. So with some crayons or markers or hey people in the hallway. All right, they're so loud. All right, so we're going to take whatever we have at home, a marker, a crayon, paint, whatever you want, and you're going to color your safety pin.
Yeah, great.
So I'm just going to color mine yellow with this yellow marker because I have a yellow feather. So you can match it. You can do a contrast, which is like a color that's the opposite, which makes it also look really nice. You're going to color your thing all the way around. You can do a design on it, or you can do marker, right? You can mark, like, do lines or stripes or polka dots or whatever you want your bird to look like. Whatever you want your bird to look like, okay? Then you're going to take your orange paper and, oh, let me grab some scissors real quick. Talk to the people while I grab my scissors. You need to talk to the people. You're talking to my assistant. All right. So then you're going to take some scissors at home or have someone help you and make a little bead out of your orange paper. Okay? And then you're going to take your little bead, you're going to size it. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, because we don't want a gigantic bead. Okay. Now you take your little bead, you're going to put some glue at the top of your, ooh, that's a lot of glue. You're going to put some glue at the top, the part of the safety pin that doesn't clasp together. So see, here's the pinchy part that goes on the bottom. So there's my beak, and here's my 2 little dots for my eyeballs. They're gonna go on right here. What do you think, Nikki?
Perfect.
It's perfect, I know.
Yeah.
I'm like Mary Poppins' brother, practically perfect in every way. Thank you. All right. Then on the back, you're gonna glue. I'm trying to do this without the glue running. You're gonna glue your feather. Like this. On the back. And look what you got.
That's so super cute.
Oh, I know. Look, you guys. It's a bird. There you have your little bird. And you can pinch it and put it on something. So you can hold it, like you can put it on top of a book or anything you want. All right. Say goodbye, Nikki.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.